What if I told you there's a computer so powerful it runs Netflix, TikTok, and half the world's internet, and you can rent it from your bedroom? Sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what AWS, Amazon Web Services, lets you do. Most people use the internet every day but have no idea what actually makes it work. We think of the cloud as some vague, mystical storage space in the sky. In reality, it's rows of high-tech servers sitting in data centers across the world, including right here in Africa. And if you don't understand it, you're missing the biggest economic shift since the Industrial Revolution. AWS is the world's largest cloud platform. It lets businesses store data, run applications, and power websites without owning a single piece of hardware. Need to host a website? Use S3. Want to deploy an app? EC2's got you. Need artificial intelligence? AWS has entire machine learning services ready to go. It's pay-as-you-go tech, designed for innovators, not corporations. That means an African student with Wi-Fi and a dream now has the same digital tools as a Silicon Valley startup. The question isn't if the cloud will transform Africa, it's who will understand it first and lead the change. AWS isn't just technology, it's empowerment. Learn it, use it, teach it. And together, we'll build a continent not only powered by raw materials, but by knowledge as well. Join the movement. Subscribe to Tech Hub Africa, because the future doesn't wait, it uploads.